Morning or night routines that support mental health. You ever wonder why some days just feel heavier than others? It's not always life. Sometimes it's your rhythm. Your mornings start in chaos. Your nights end in noise. And somewhere between notifications and exhaustion, your mind forgets how to breathe. But what if you could rewire that? Not by changing your whole life, just by changing how you start and end your day. Because your mental health isn't built in therapy sessions or vacations, it's built quietly, in the moments when nobody's watching. Today, we're breaking down the science and simplicity of morning and night routines that actually protect your mind and rebuild your peace. Why routines matter for mental health. Let's start here. Your brain loves patterns. It's not just about productivity, it's about stability. Every time you follow a routine, your mind receives a signal. You're safe. You're in control. And that sense of control is crucial because mental health issues like anxiety and depression often thrive in uncertainty. A consistent morning and night routine gives your brain a predictable framework, a safe space to rest, recharge, and reset. Think of it as emotional armor, something that keeps your mind from spiraling into chaos before the day even begins. The key isn't perfection, it's consistency. Because your brain doesn't heal in one big moment, it heals slowly through repetition. The morning reset, building calm before chaos. Your morning sets the emotional tone for everything that follows. But most of us start our day by diving headfirst into stress, scrolling, rushing, reacting. Here's how to take your mornings back. Start with silence. Before your phone, before the world, give your brain 5 minutes of peace. Sit in stillness, stretch, breathe, or just watch the light come in. Those first few minutes are like mental software booting up. Keep them clean. Move your body. You don't need a full workout. Even 10 minutes of walking, stretching, or yoga releases endorphins, the body's natural antidepressants. Movement doesn't just wake you up. It tells your nervous system, you're alive, you're capable. Feed your mind before your screen. Replace doom scrolling with something intentional. Journaling, gratitude, or reading a few pages of something uplifting. It doesn't have to be deep, just real. Fuel your body gently. Hydration first, caffeine later. Your brain runs on water and nutrients, not stress and coffee. And remember, mornings aren't about doing more. They're about doing what matters, mindfully. The night routine, teaching your mind to rest again. If mornings are for grounding, nights are for surrender. Because rest isn't just sleep, it's recovery for your mind. But here's the thing. Most people never actually end their day. They just scroll until they pass out. And that's why they wake up tired, even after 8 hours in bed. A healthy night routine isn't about rules. It's about signaling to your brain that the day is done. Dim the noise. An hour before bed, lower your lights and lower your input. Screens, social media, news, they all trigger alertness. Silence tells your brain it's safe to slow down. Reflect. Don't react. Instead of ending your day with someone else's content, end it with your own. Write one thing you learned, one thing you're grateful for, and one thing you want to release. It's simple, but it gives your thoughts closure. Prepare for tomorrow gently. Lay out your clothes, make a to-do list, or set a small intention. That way, your brain doesn't spend the night trying to plan in your dreams. Create a sensory cue for calm. A warm shower, a candle, a specific playlist, anything that tells your body it's time to rest. Over time, these small actions train your nervous system to relax on command, because when your body feels safe, your mind finally lets go. The hidden power of routine. Psychological safety. There's a reason why mental health experts keep returning to structure and rhythm. Because routine is a form of self-trust. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, even something small like waking up on time or writing for 5 minutes, you teach your brain, I can rely on me. That quiet confidence builds resilience over time. Your morning and night routines are not about productivity hacks. They're about self-respect, showing up for yourself when no one's watching. And in a world that constantly demands your attention, routines give you permission to pause, to exist without performance. The balance between discipline and grace. Now, here's the truth. Some days you'll fail. You'll wake up late. You'll scroll at night. You'll forget the meditation, the journaling, the water bottle. That's okay, because mental health isn't built on perfect days. It's built on how you treat yourself after imperfect ones. Be gentle with yourself. Forgive the slip and start again tomorrow. That's the real strength. Not in never falling, but in always returning. Your mornings and nights are two sacred moments the world can't touch unless you let it. Guard them, because how you begin and end your day determines how you live everything in between. So tonight, instead of scrolling, take one deep breath. Tomorrow, Open your eyes before you open your phone. You don't need a 5 a.m. miracle routine. You just need a few minutes of peace that belong only to you. If this message resonated with you, take a second to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more stories and insights that help you rebuild your mind, one peaceful day at a time.